Today I'm gonna fly this little one. I got the batteries here. I bring all my 5-inch and 3.5-inch. I leave the 6S battery behind because yeah, my carry-on is already too heavy. Also, the battery is all beat up anyway. I don't think it's safe for the airport. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For those who don't know my story, I'm Hendra, back in Indonesia after 14 years living in Sydney. I'm planning to tour Indonesia, but while waiting for my bike to be ready, right now I'm just exploring and getting used to everything again. So thanks for stopping by. Berapa duit? 5.000. Gimana? Orang Sumatera, Medan. Ini orang mana? Riau. Riau, Sumatera juga. Tapi di mana ya? Dari Dubai. Dari Medan 12 jam. Anjir, masih jauh dong ini. Rusak gara-gara Trump. Iya. Situ ya? Kasih ya. Guys, so the security say I only can fly in night. They show me the map and they show me that I can only fly in number 4 and 6, but I have no idea where's number 4 and 6 from the map. Don't even know where I am right now, but I'm just gonna try to take off this one. Right now I cannot bind my O3 to my GoPro. Usually I use the pin for the SIM card, but I don't bring anything with me right now. 1 hour ride from my place. I just don't want to go home without flying it. I asked a few people, but no one has it. Maybe I'll try again. All right. I borrowed some earring from some random lady. Now it's my transmission battery is low. Looks like I'm not gonna fly today. My radio battery is gone. I'm not sure, I probably can fly only once. I don't know what the footage is gonna look like because the wind is so strong. You can see it. Right? The wind is so strong. I got the shot, but I'm not sure I can use it or not. Apa?
Masuk.
Hendra,
Ya.
rokok nggak?
Ya.
Rokok.
Dari mana? Medan.
Aslinya Medan.
Oh, Medan, Cok.
Dari timur. Dari timur.
Siapa dari timur? Bandung.
Enggak, Tasikmalaya.
Tasikmalaya. Tasikmalaya bukannya deket? Deket gak sih? Deket Bandung ya?
Iya.
Jawa Barat lah.
Tasik berarti bahasa Sunda ya?
Bahasa Sunda.
Ya.
Iya sih.
Iya. Kumaha damang.
Iya.
Udah pernah kemana aja?
Di Indo.
Indonesia Raya.
Indonesia Raya nggak tuh? Indonesia Raya nggak tuh?
Jadi nyanyi kita.
Indonesia.
I think that's it for today, guys. I am so tired right now.
Not today, every day.
Every day?
Yeah.
Are you working here or? Are you Indonesian?
Indonesia.
Are you Indonesian?
Yeah.
I'm Indonesian too.
Oh.
Iya, orang Indo sayang.
Maaf.
Maaf.
Kirain orang Jepang loh.
Hah?
Kirain orang Jepang.
Kirain orang gua. Indo asli gua mah.
Asli.
100% Indonesia.
Tapi mirip orang Jepang.